Let's cut a rug, unraveling English idioms. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase, cut a rug. Ever heard of it? If not, or even if you have, stick around to discover its meaning and how to use it in conversations. Cut a rug is an idiom, which means its literal meaning isn't the same as its figurative meaning. When someone says they want to cut a rug, they aren't talking about taking scissors to a carpet. Instead, this phrase is a fun and lively way to say dancing, often energetically or enthusiastically. Understanding the origin of idioms can make them easier to remember. Cut a rug originated in America during the 1920s and 1930s, a time when swing dancing and jazz were incredibly popular. It's believed that the phrase reflects the action of dancers' feet, cutting, or moving swiftly across the dance floor, as if they were tearing it up. Now that we know the meaning, let's see how we can use it. 1. I can't wait to cut a rug at Jane's wedding next week. 2. When the band started playing, everyone was eager to cut a rug. 3. Back in my day, I could cut a rug like no one else. Remember, like all idioms, using cut a rug appropriately depends on the context. It's best suited for informal conversations and situations related to dancing or parties. And there we have it. The next time you hear someone say they want to cut a rug, you'll know they're in the mood to dance. We hope you enjoyed learning about this colorful English idiom. Keep dancing through your language learning journey, and we'll see you in the next video.